how to add location on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add location on BeReal. First open BeReal and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and after that click these 3 points and then click click on your profile, and here you will find location. As you see, just click on it. Now just type here any location you want and click save, and that's it. As you see, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.